think you're you?
You thought I was a nice person, bitch? Do I look like someone you can mess with? Huh? Who you ramp with, girl?
Sorry. Sorry, I never mean it.
All this, cause I'm not done with her yet.
Sorry.
You're sorry? You're not sorry yet. You dip your hand, you're filthy hand in my food.
Blood clot, are you?
Yes, it's me. You don't think to me I'm Monica friend long time. You don't think she should have forgive me.
Hey! Why murder? Don't leave me again, please. Tell me not do this again.
Monique!
Pinky, what you doing here?
Monique, stop this! This
Don't
is the level you plan to
stop.
go!
Yes!
Jesus Christ. I heard everything, Monique. Everything that you and Pebbles was planning, and I plan to follow you today.
You're not supposed to be here, Pinky.
Monique, please, you need to stop this. If you don't stop, I'm going to tell Dad, and I'm going to tell Tyson.
Hey, girl, don't hurt me.
No, Monique! You're going to get yourself in trouble.
You know what, Pinky? Go. I'm going to let her go.
Monique, just please don't get yourself in any trouble.
You know what, Barbs? Today is your lucky day. Fiona, pull her. Just make sure this don't happen again.
Dirty for money! You think your daddy not done yet?
Fiona, you see why you can't serve for nobody?
Must be mad. The second place I go. Just I get a youth with big dreams, big dreams, big dreams, big dreams. Yeah. First place, we are come for the prize, we no shaker. Yeah. Man never complain. Remember the hard that the fight make you greater. Yeah. No matter how the journey rough, turn the crown. Can't make no problems, all you work it out. Fuck shame, man have to put mama house upstairs. Yeah. Man have things to do, man have things to make. Money pile up in the ceiling, so my thing for set. Stop living at the past, you don't see history yet. Rich me send me work for everything me get. Work for put in, not even think for rest. Can't follow people, that's how you miss your step. Me never box, I'm a fighter, better bring your best. Life in your tongue and cricket it. I go for my one, coming up done for poor. Just arrive on the dream, I'm gonna stop for snore. I feel make it out of this, them shouldn't lock your door. And the whole place I shape, I drop a bomb for sure. Me get the wings. If you're not talk money, we no link. Shut up. Focus, not even blink. How long man I lose time for win? First place, we are come for the prize, we no shaker. Man never complain. Remember the hard that the fight make you greater. No matter how the journey rough, turn it round. Can't make no problem, hold you work it out. Fuck shame, man have to put mama house upstairs. Yeah. Now a champagne a bust like a coaster. Roughest life man grow like a soldier. I'm out of pressure when them put on my shoulder. Man never know real supporter. Bad luck, what's a down Obia? Real governor in a pen, ask Donia. Set man I set it, me no joker. Remember people a fraud, call mocha. Like a ball, me control me emotion. Mind for my money run a program. No, in my face too much door slam, make it out. Them prison trap could no hold man. I used to one pair of shoes. Then I we used to share one plate of food. That's why when I for win me can't lose. That's why man I for win me get no. First place, we are come for the prize, we no shaker. Man never complain.
Why spend time in that line? I'm glad to see you, babies.
Glad to see me, you know. You in them when I see her in the back.
Yeah, me bad.
You know, big thing come again. Oh, boy.
No matter them something, because me know how your ends running up, so that's why me make sure just kind of keep myself a look type of way.
You know my place though.
Oh yeah, me care, you're the baddest, you know.
Let me see you're good, you're good. No violation can go.
Yo, dog blood.
Yo, stepper.
You see where greed cause?
You see what your son do?
Dog blood. Every action have a reaction. And now you have pay the consequence. You see how me did promise you a big food.
Stepper, I know I'm fuck up, you know. But your son fuck up big time.
Me never saying right for shoot you. But you're wrong for make man rob him. You hear me? Leave it alone. Dog blood, I you start the fire in the kitchen. Just be grateful your fire now out.
Some for just take it. Top police like me if you just make boy shoot me. I'm gonna do nothing. Oh, my squad them gonna look for me.
After you have a choice, you can't do my son nothing.
No, you go back your son, you know. But me wrong. So I'm gonna lower this.
You hear me? Me have $500,000 for you. Me have wire it to your account. So don't put in name in the police report.
Alright, Stepper, alright.
Dog blood. Yes, speed recovery. Don't let this happen again.
Alright. You have to see how we're gonna deal with your boy, man.
This thing I get out on, you know. You know me can't trust the boy, dog blood. Wow, what a woman full of shape. Look like I'm gonna look at work with a chicken.
Of course, you can look at work over here. Anytime you want. All you need is a
Definitely.
fast food, sir. There we go.
Okay, don't say a thing.
You can go.
Yeah,
You say you're a good chef.
good chef, good chef.
Alright, I will need a chef, you know.
Alright,
So when you're ready, you can come.
it's more than chef too.
Alright.
Enough bad prayer, me still there same way. Them say me curse, but me still there and I gain weight. 45 pound my belly keep the place safe. Patiently me a work on the payday. Used to wear the one boot without shame face. Mama ball and she pray for the chain break. Jason dead and gone, me not have the same fate. Can't make them spread me out like me and knees.
Yo, Posh.
Babe.
You know, see, I years now you're doing it. And you know, see, a bag of girl want to done it. But watch you know. And me and you feel link exclusively, you know. You see all the Indian boy, I see her run back, I run more, you run more, you know. And just me and you, you know.
Alright,
You know,
babe. But understand what you're saying, babe, but the thing about it, I just can't bother with the bag of badness to you, you know. I just that alone kind of keep me off a look away. But you know I love you.
Yeah, man, I know you love a killer, man.
Yeah, man, I must love you, baby. How far I come from now. But by this and that, where's Barbs? Babes or Barbs?
You know, say, tell you the truth, Bob's missing couple days now.
Missing couple days now?
Yeah, because Bob's phone, I not get Bob's. The last couple days.
What? Mr. Like somebody take her away?
Yeah, like missing. Yeah.
But if somebody take her Barbs, I must tell him do that, you know, because all the things are going in a bit. I'm not sending to you from over there. Actually, Indian tell me never really want to bring it to you because I know you're a cheap already, you know. But I be things Tyson not going with him.
Tyson? Tyson not supposed to fuck up.
If he's not supposed to fuck up, babe Tyson have good uptown girl now, you know. So maybe that cause you know for him get rid of Barbs, just think one and few together. Him get rid of her, I not ask.
Let me not forget page Tyson then, man.
You need for page him, babe, I not ask Christ him, that boy Tyson there. Tyson do it, babe, I not ask Christ.
That not come today, no. But a blood clot judgment day today.
Fiona.
Monique,
Hi, Fiona.
I'm really sorry, you know, we've been friends from school days.
Yes, we have.
I don't want what happened to come between us.
Okay. So you want to be my friend again?
Yes,
Okay. You know you don't have to prove your loyalty to me.
anything, girl.
Okay. That girl Barbs that my aunt had you conspiring with, I have her in a building down there. Would you like to participate?
Yes, I'm ready. I didn't like that bitch in the first place.
Me not like what you do, you know. Me not like what you do. Me tell you say me I talk about the thing and you take action on your own and look how you shoot the man.
Step up. You are my father, you know. From a barn. I never say till me a big man. You may say to you know. No boy that ramp with me badness. No boy!
Continue is what happened to you.
Stepper. You know my mother name Tyson? Me born for knockout boy. Let me tell you this. Me not take no disrespect or no violation from no boy.
Man, before me knock you out, you know.
Laugh me, I laugh. Father.
Laugh, you laugh.
Listen to me now. Just get me inheritance. And you look up police and you look up squaddy them. Rob me. Me not take no
We not support them with the robbery.
If I say no, me not take no chat. And if you chat, you look up squaddy.
Me and your father, me do that already. Come in a want to see you in a jail. You hear?
Oh, you talk to him already?
Yeah.
Oh, he's alive and kicking, man. But he have to know him at the scene.
Alright, son.
Pull on my gun, man. But I tell you, anytime you take out my gun, man, he's dead. You hear that? Respect to my father, no violation.
Alright.
Roger Tosh, new beginning. Yeah. Look at my shirt, dirty, 2 pants, not even new shoes.
Yo, dog blood. When you said, boy, them shut you up, me I come page you now. Yo, dog blood.
Yo, boy, crazy, yeah.
How much boy me say shut you up?
You know what say, boy, Tyson, man?
Who?
Your boss son, man.
Eh? And him a shot police. I've got dirty, you know.
Yeah, man, just lead him from, man, and you name craving, you know. Out them out fast.
As them slip, we put them out fast at the craving area.
Man, depend upon you, you know.
Just send him address to my phone. What do you mean I would have? Pull the door and come now.
Push.
I can't broke my arm.
Ah, dude.
Yeah. No go on, but just come to tell him mine.
You have wine? Oh.
But all the things, because I can't bother with this no more.
What I do what?
Me and you.
Yeah.
But I don't think about it and I just wait at the reach. I have my reasons. I don't wait, I have my reasons. I don't need to explain that to you, but I don't feel like it's going to work out.
So this is it reach now?
Alright, that's it reach.
Watch. So what going? I will get in the head.
What do you mean who get in there? But not forget it in my head. May I try to get this in your head it done?
Where you try to get in my head? See you left me?
Yeah, it is over.
Oh, you try to say? Me you left? Me you can't left. Me bust a shot in your face.
Oh! So me you want to kill? Me you want to kill Indian? What's going on in my face? Don't worry yourself. One phone call to Spank Shell and I done it done. Now ask Christ.
Spank Shell? Oh, one boss brother.
Come here, young man.
Yes, sailor.
I'm a spiritual man. This is say you up to some fuckery, you know. But hear me now, don't do it.
Fuck yeah, youth. Just like brother out there. Come back like preacher.
The fire about to get hot on this, you know.
Hey, so what going on, you?
Spank Shell.
Yeah, this.
Gotta come and where do you?
I'm there, watch you know. Dog, you know, so my sister missing no bro, G. I look a birdie at me say you response feed, though.
Bury that in the line, man. Nothing go stop you. Watch out, no? Me and sister live for years now, brother. You see me? Sister start me, damn ends. If she misses still, I don't know. Something wrong though, but I have to find out how I go on, you see me?
What then? If you take my sister, a war between me and you.
Pension. Look like you forget how woman be. A long time me a part of you. I tell you this. Everyone own that black day. This is our black. See? Anything you see that gets a selfie now, don't involve me. See me? Now I push the tension. I tell you where it go. If you start the fire, it's going to blaze. I get it.
I heard, man.
You can't hear that. Anything I'm here to say, come on. We find out.
Done it.
Boy. My foot, boy. Woman shot me, man. Me can't believe it all now. A good thing we have linked with Doctor. Boy, me I call a woman then.
Hello.
Radical. What go on there? But you leave me in a pain, man. Pain.
You're lucky in a pain and a box, you know.
Radical, you're lucky in a prison, you know.
Put you in a jail. You forgot to say I'm in Radical.
You forgot to say me a commissioner of police.
You forgot to say me a member of parliament.
Radical, you shot me for nothing, you know. Nothing at all. After 25 years of marriage. You look like me, I go to war, you know.
Bring it on, Stepper. Bring it on. You forgot to say you bring girl come to the house.
Sure.
Hello, Stepper. Look, I'm gonna bury your blouse and skirts. Boy, tell your son them have to lick down a boy, you know.
Police. Police! Come out a million! Lift up! Come out a million! Yeah! Rastafari! Lightning! Under your Rastafari.
Rasta boy, I'm mean and craving near me out your locks.
Me not smoke. Lightning!
Rasta man you want dead enough.
Babylon I go burn you. Burn me a burn down Babylon. Trouble again, you know.
Tyson?
No, nobody leave us in Tyson. Wrong address.
Hello, who named Tyson?
Nobody don't name Tyson. Hey, police, leave up out of the yard.
This man is a ghost. Hello, police. Who named Tyson?
Nobody leave us in Tyson.
You know, I feel like the world not come up to the boy, yeah? Must catch him, you know.
Mom, you would never believe what just happened.
What happened?
I just witnessed money kidnapping a girl named Barbs or something like that.
What?
Monique is losing it.
Bobs? That's what I know here from Bobs.
So you know her?
Yes, dear, I do. Boy like me, I forgot down back another Ghetto, you know.
Mommy, I'm tired of all this drama. And I also want to go and see my brother Tyson.
You got to be crazy.
Hello. I know who you even.
Actually, do you know where Tyson's house is?
Yeah man, you live right over here.
Okay, thank you. Excuse me. Which one of these boxes are Tyson's in?
Tyson, Tyson friend.
Okay, well, I'm Tyson's sister.
Tyson's sister pretty, man. You never tell me about her.
You don't worry yourself. You don't have to know about me. Just tell Tyson that I came to visit him.
Alright.
Must be mad. A second place ago. Just I get a youth with big dreams, big dreams, big dreams, big dreams. Yeah. First place, we are come for the prize, we no shaker. Yeah. Man never complain. Remember the hard that the fight make you greater. Yeah. No matter how the journey rough, turn the crown. Can't make no problems, all you work it out. Fuck shame, man have to put mama house upstairs. Yeah. Man have things to do, man have things to make. Money pile up in the ceiling, something for set. Stop living at the past, you don't see history yet. Rich me send me work for everything me get. Work for put in not even think to rest. Can't follow people, that's how you miss your step. Me never box, I'm a fighter, they can bring your best. Life in your tongue and cricket. I go for my one, coming up done for poor. Just a ride on the dream, I'm gonna stop for snore. I fit make it out of this, them shouldn't lock it door. And the whole place I shape, I drop a bomb for sure. Me get the wings. If you're not hard money, we no link. Shut up. Focus, not even blink. How long man I lose time for win? First place, we are come for the prize, we no shake. Man never complain. Remember the harder the fight make you greater. No matter how the journey rough, turn it round. Can't make no problem, hold you work it out. Fuck shame, man have to put mama house upstairs. Yeah. Now a champagne a bust like a coaster. Roughest life man grow like a soldier. I'm out of pressure when them put on my shoulder. Man never know a real supporter. Bad luck, what's a down obia? Real governor in a pen, ask Donia. Set man I set it, me no joker. Member people a fraud, call mocha. Like a ball, me control me emotion. Mind for my money run a program. No, in my face too much door slam, make it out. Them prison trap could no hold man. I used to one pair of shoes, then I we used to share one plate of food.